back to the adventures of Team BLT. Well, we went home for a night. We're up here in Minnesota. Went home for a night. And now we're taking off for Emporia, Kansas. We should be down there in about 7 hours. Right there. 7 to 8 hours. And they've actually got us planned all the way up until we come home for Memorial Weekend. Or a long weekend. Go camping with some friends.
What's it? It's hot out today, isn't it?
89. A little warm.
Are we gonna get storms where we're going? Did you look?
I guess I haven't looked. Minnesota, thanks for visiting. Yeah, we'll be back Wednesday. There. We got welcome to Iowa. Freedom to flourish.
Flourish.
Thanks, Iowa.
So not all roads are smooth. This one for miles and miles is like this. Makes it for a bumpy ride.
Hopefully Iowa will do something with it.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with Iowa, but
We did further south down here. We got some of it. Now you can come up here and do this part.
yeah.
So, who thinks the way station is closed or open? Let's say closed.
Closed? Yeah. Saturday? Well, it doesn't matter really, but it's probably closed. These roads will probably bonk this right off. Whoa, it's green light,
We'll see if it's open or closed.
right?
It's like they got the big word out. Closed.
Closed. Nice.
Missouri welcomes you.
Nice. They got a whole center to welcome us.
Right? Hey, come
Here is their welcome center. You feel very welcome.
Keep left to I-35.
Well, here we are. We made it.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on East
6
Logan
hours
Avenue.
and 59 minutes. Not too shabby.
Just in time.
I also didn't stop to get the bugs out.
Yeah, we didn't
Now
stop
they're
to.
really bugging.
Now they're. We didn't stop, but we had to make some miles. So beautiful sunset,
Running on the recap, so
nice and warm. I just made him pork chops, carrots, and potatoes with bacon. So he ate those on the way. Cut them up in pieces. So
good.
so good. Now he's full, and we hate eating too late, but gotta do what you gotta do. Right, honey?
That's trucking.
All right. Catch you later.
Good morning, everybody. We got empty in Emporia here last night. We got a load in Kansas City, but getting the truck washed quick. We're gonna get out of here before big storms come. We're right in the bullseye today, I guess. We'll try to get a shot of what it looks like. It's supposed to be here late this afternoon tonight. We're talking 100 plus mile an hour straight line winds, baseball size hail, tornadoes. So yeah, we want to get loaded in Kansas City. It's supposed to break up by that way. We want to get out of there get out of here while we can. Call it one of them Jericho storms or whatever. Big winds like they just had down in Houston. Supposed to be getting to be a more common thing, I guess. But we'll get the truck washed and get rolling east. Get out of here while we can.
Get rid of the bugs.
I can see clearly now. The rain.
We had no waiting at the truck wash too, so we're pulling in. We just got here, so pulling in. So
One just pulled in behind us.
one just pulled in behind us. We got here just in time. All right, catch you later. Fully robotic place for pickup.
Yeah, checking in for a pickup.
What door?
What is door 22?
22. Is this the automated place?
Yeah. Yeah. All loaded by robots. No more, they got no robot. No.
Mr. Roboto. Work attire?
My work attire.
Do you need your vest? Your boots with the fur.
No flip flops here.
Like you have flip flops. That's illegal. You see it all the time, but
I can't get my foot up on the dash if I wanted to, so we ain't got to worry about that. Never be an easy door because I'm doing this. Should have asked.
what?
I should have said, is that an easy door because I'm doing this?
Right.
Oh, I like going back into tour trucks. Never had.
You do good at it though. Fudgesicle.
You really got to pay attention.
Yeah. 22. I am going to make fish sticks for a fish sandwich while we are here in the air fryer. So we are going to see how much the trailer weighs. So truck and trailer. When you do this, you get these cool cards, and I know Tad has hundreds of them from all his days trucking, but you get these cards. It says something about people, so just a little extra bonus thing, but
Hello. Yeah.
he gets a card like this. This is the one we got today. This is some lady's truck. And Honey said that he heard there was an overturned truck, so everybody's to be in the left lane. I don't know why people are cruising beside us, but
Here's an idea, people. You see everybody else moving to one lane. That's a good sign that something's going on. Maybe you should just follow everybody else and move over to that one lane.
instead of trying to get ahead on the right and then sneaking in.
Nobody's better than anybody. Everybody wants to get where they're going. England is everyone drivers having a bad day.
It is a bad day.
Dirty side's supposed to be down there, driver.
All this cab went over too. Wow.
Glad to see if you can hear the cicadas in the trees. Really loud.
When we go by the trees, you can hear them. Maybe these trees up here you can hear. we left Emporia, and good thing we got out of there because this is what we are missing. Does not look fun.
There's probably some big wins with that.
Yeah. Good thing.
Illinois, the land of Lincoln.
We are stopping to clean this windshield because it is insane.
The last 20 miles it turned into a bug cemetery.
Yeah, right? It
And I
is.
mean, there's some big
Turn
bugs.
right on East Frontage Road,
They
then
hit
take
so
the first
hard
right.
we thought it was hailing. That is gross.
Well, here we are. Got unloaded. We're going to reload. Load flour. And pick that up to Minnesota for Wednesday morning. Today's Monday. Get that unloaded Wednesday morning and we will start our long weekend. And it's kind of hot down here, so I put shorts on. You know, yep, my legs are a little white. But that's alright.
Gotta start somewhere.
So, we're just going to truck it up.
We're gonna go camping this Memorial weekend. Jesus. With some friends. And that'll be fun.
Some camping, some fishing.
And we bringing our smoker with. We make supper one night. Everybody picks a night. So still better than it was. And the side of our truck's still clean.
Yep.
So,
So maybe we'll see when we go here to get loaded.
yeah. How far do we have to go to get loaded?
68 miles.
68 miles.
It's already 85 degrees and we didn't even do it yet.
And good thing we got out of Emporia yesterday because they had those storms. So.
Yeah, they had big storms. Looked up a weather thing this morning, and looked like they had I think the highest gust I've seen, 67-mile-an-hour winds. They had some hail. So they had some tree damage and power lines down and stuff. So I didn't look up Kansas City, but yeah, glad we got out of there when we did.
Dodge that. Catch you in a bit.
Welcome to Kentucky. That's what it said.
Oh,
It's a little sign for the
this
road.
is a little bridge. This is weird.
It's just a 2-lane.
This is scary. It is.
This is scary, but the Bay Bridge wasn't scary.
Yes, it was. I had a
It was
comment.
like almost 8 miles long.
I know, but it's like. Oh, dear.
That trippy.
You went over the hill and you didn't see the other side. It was like, I'm just going to drop into the water. It says narrow road ahead, so we're going to say it 3 times.
Narrow road ahead. Narrow road ahead. Narrow road ahead.
Okay.
See?
Woo! That's close.
Horse poo on the road.
These narrow roads are pretty, but they are very narrow.
Kentucky back roads here. It's kind of a fun road. Curvy, narrow. It's a god dang Ford Ranger.
Here's a pretty little Kentucky town. Very little. Looks like they got a lot of businesses though.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Wow.
Happening little town.
Huh?
It's a happening little town.
I hate left turns because my refrigerator comes open. So if anybody has any great ideas for refrigerator locks, that'd be great. We tried one, a stick-on one, and because of the material the side is on, it doesn't stick. So any other hacks would be awesome. It's a pull-out kind, so if you got any comments or suggestions, that would be great.
Continue on North Morgan Street.
Oh, this town suddenly got bigger. It's got a McDonald's and a Dollar General. Go figure.
Go figure.
Egg Lions. Got a Morgan Mart. Got the Beverage Mart.
Oh, that's a liquor store. DQ
Got a Cash Express. Pawn and Loans.
on the fly.
got Long John Silver's.
God, I haven't seen that forever. Cheesecake.
Oreo cheesecake.
Oreo. Oh my. It's a drive-through, not semi-drive.
It's got a no trucks in it. But should be in there somehow.
Taco Bell. are in Eolia, Missouri, parked at a truck stop. Plenty of room here. It's gravel, so it's kind of dusty, but no rain in the forecast. And made my crock pot pizza again, so we're gonna